Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello bilingualiers, welcome back to MAB Podcast.
Spill the tea. Hello everyone. How are you today? Hope you are in the good condition. Here I'm Safira and also my friends.
I am Julian
And I'm Melly.
And we
We
are
are
from
from Export.
So guys, what's our topic for today?
I think our topic today was very interesting for discussing. Yesterday there is some sport event that very interesting. Did you know, Julian?
I know I have seen it is not a football match by our national team. It is a very good hobby to develop because football has many values contained in football games and football match events. If the expertise in football continues to be developed, it can follow the world football game.
It's true. If it continues to be developed, it can follow the very cool world football. What is the name of the institution, Safira?
Hmm, I think it is FIFA groups, right? Let me explanation about it. FIFA is Federation International Football Association as the official parent organization of football in the world. FIFA is actually the umbrella for all of the football organizations in each member country. FIFA was founded on 21 May 1904 behind the Athletic Association building in the Paris, specifically in the city of France. Although FIFA is headquarters are currently in the Switzerland.
And the formation of FIFA was first the initiative of a sport journalist Robert Giron. He also became the first FIFA president in 1994 till 1996. Then Robert Giron gathered seven football organizations in Europe. The goal is to create FIFA laws and statutes. Some of these countries are France, the Netherlands, Spain, Denmark, Sweden, Belgium, and Switzerland.
Yes, it is true, and the World Cup was first organized by FIFA in Uruguay in 193 at the time. There were only 13 countries participating, namely Uruguay, Argentina, Chile, France, Mexico, Yugoslavia, Brazil, Bolivia, Romania, Peru, the United States, Paraguay, and Belgium.
But in our country, Indonesia, there is one of the FIFA branch office that was inaugurated by the seventh president of Indonesia, Mr. Jokowi, on 10 November 2023. That's good news for us because it can have a good impact on Indonesia in various sector.
Hmm, you are right, Melly. Um, with the assistant office FIFA in Indonesia, actually it is give a many good impact for our country, especially in a many factor of aspect. But I think maybe the aspect is not just one, but also there's a many aspect. Here I want to answer it and explanation. One of which the advantage of FIFA office in Indonesia. One of it is in the economy sector. Through match held by the FIFA can integrate an economy for the country or venue that is hosted because visitors can spread their income through the sector food, beverage, transportation, hospitality, or lodging facility. Throughout the event, FIFA can also intervene the running of MSMES and also the sale of merchandise around the stadium. That's why, with the assistance when some country held by the event of FIFA, it give a many good impact for the country for development in the economic, like because tourism also many explore in the country that they visited. And what is your opinion?
Also give good impact on our culture. We can introducing culture through an event organized by FIFA can be a means of introduction the culture owned by the host to newcomers or tourists and foreign players. The culture includes a regional food. Regional tends to be used as a opening and so on so that newcomers can know the diversity and can also get to know the beauty of the house.
I'm also agree with Julian. Not just that, the existence of FIFA is also give impact on the sector inspiration and enthusiasm. The existence of FIFA, the existence from FIFA also attract an enthusiasm to the town and also host to be able to elevate an event and give enthusiasm to the team competition to be the winner. Throughout the event also provide an inspiration to their team to train harder and also provide an inspiration for the country to advise the quality of football for the national team. But here, did you know guys? But in the existing event of FIFA, like in the football games that's doing well, is there is an opening that introducing the wonderful of Indonesia. With the opening like maybe in the traditional dance or maybe like introduce about the nationality song, it can include our wonderful Indonesia, which means we can explore again to there that Indonesia has many wonderful. And also with the opening of event of football players, it also have a many good impact for the tourism in order they can find more deeply about our wonderful Indonesia from the traditional dance and so on, in which in our traditional dance is the one of the characteristic of Indonesia. Mm, the Indonesian team managed to achieve a player victory. Like our country has a final with Saudi Arabia with the score 2-0 in the 2026 World of Qualifiers. This victory is a new history for Indonesia football. That's why this is the health of FIFA. It's increasing the spirit of younger student or maybe younger generation to increase their spirit in the football in order to make a proud our nation Indonesia in the football players.
It's a great information, guys. What can we expect from this match?
First match, both teams will usually play with high spirit, especially if this match is an important match such as a World Cup or ASEAN Cup qualifier. Different strategies, coaches from both teams will apply different strategies to achieve victory. Supporter support. This match will usually be watched by thousands or even millions of spectators, both in the stadium and via live broadcast.
Hmm. What do you think about the Indonesian national team's victory over Saudi Arabia?
This answer is very subjective and depend on each individual participation. However, in general, the victory was certainly greeted with a joy by Indonesian football fans. This victory is considered an extraordinary achievement and provides new hope for Indonesian football. With the winner Indonesia between Indonesia and Saudi Arabia is one inspiration for a younger generation in Indonesia to continue it the football player in the next competition, in which with this the achievement as a generation we should inspire again our skill in the football in order we can find a kind of many kind of sport that can make our nation well introduced with the golden generation that have many ability in the sport, especially in the football.
What do you think about the Indonesian national team's victory over Saudi Arabia?
This answer is very subjective and depend on each individual perspective. However, in general, this victory was certainly created by with joy by Indonesian football fans. This victory is considered an extraordinary achievement and provides new hope for Indonesian football.
Hmm. Of course, let's discuss.
Mm, let's discuss about it. In my opinion, what must be done so that Indonesian national team can qualify a World Cup? In my opinion, in order for Indonesian national team to qualify to World Cup, comprehensive and sustainable effort are needed. Improving the quality domestic competition The quality of Indonesian liga needs to continue and improve it so that the players are enough like horse and competition is tough. For take the winner for this playing football, it is need many supported not just in your body but also in the cooperation. But before in the cooperation, you start again in your body. Like you should take a good rest, and you should maintain your healthy in order when you are playing the football, you can achieve the good score.
Hmm, of course. Let's discuss how to improve or mention your soccer playing skills so you can compete at the international level.
Regular and directed exercise focus on basic techniques. Regular dribbling, passing, shooting, and heading practice will improve your basic skill. Physical training, good strength, speed, and stamina are very important in soccer. Physical exercise such as running, jumping, and lifting weight can help tactic practice. Understanding game tactic such as positioning, marking, and reading your opponent games will make you a smarter player. Specific drills if you want to focus on a particular position, do specific drill to improve your skill in that position.
And for achieve the winner, as a younger generation, we especially as will doing football players in the next future, you should learn the best of competition has. Because in every competition has the moral value that we can take and we can copy it to the next our competition, in which with the important of football players, we can someone to being a success not just in the academic lesson or maybe in the less academic that getting in the school, but also in the outset of school, you can improve your skill and your ability in the many of sector, like maybe in your hobby. A football players is not just a lesson, but it is one of the habits that's included in the sport. With the existence of football players, as a student, you have a many time you can improve your skill in that in order you can improve your skill in doing a competition and achieve more goals like our gymnasts, they had a winner with the Saudi Arabia in which the football games is not start in the school, but they explore in the outside of school. Many people say that agreement not you not just can success in one lesson like maybe in the academic but also in the not academic. It's right, Melly?
Yes, that is right.
Ah, one of people will explanation that it's right because some people can explore many things in the outside because in the outside you can find a many diversity about oh how can I success not just in one way. There is many ways you can success and you can be a grateful person for your country. Especially we as are the younger generation should make our nation be a proud and also be a nice generation for the future. um, it is a good for us in order we as a next generation not just be success in the non in the academic lesson, right?
Right?
And
Yes.
also in the not academic lesson like not in the academic lesson not just football but in the academic lesson you can find a many things like you explore the scientific in the our environment which is also the wonderful of Indonesia has many kind of diversity, or maybe in the outside of school you can find the many of wonderful in Indonesia like our culture, our tradition that it can take a lesson and we can introducing it on the football players like in the event like in the opening of Timnas, also there is a traditional dance, which means in the traditional dance is a wonderful thing of Indonesia, and we can take a lesson that it not just Indonesia has the good academic, but also in Indonesia have a many wonderful that we can explore it. And that's all my explanation. I hope with our explanation and discussion for today was helpfully and also give information to you and be a good information and you can explore again your spirit and ability in the football player. Thank you and see you again in next video.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.